Here in the nation's capital today, former Trump presidential campaign manager or chairman Paul Manafort and his business associate Rick Gates pleaded not guilty to federal charges this afternoon. At the U.S. District Court, bond was set for Mr. Manafort at $10 million and $5 million for Mr. Gates, and they've been placed under house arrest and ordered to surrender their passports. Also, a guilty plea from former Trump campaign advisor George Papadopoulos, marking the first criminal case that cites interactions between the Trump campaign associates and Russian intermediates. The separate charges for Mr. Manafort and Mr. Gates contend that they acted as unregistered foreign agents for Ukrainian interests. Mr. Manafort's attorney, Kevin Downey, spoke to reporters outside the courthouse a short while ago.
Well, I think you all saw today that President Donald Trump was correct. There is no evidence that Mr. Manafort or the Trump campaign colluded with the Russian government. Mr. Manafort represented pro-European Union campaigns for the Ukrainian. And in that, he was seeking to further democracy and to help the Ukraine come closer to the United States and the EU. Those activities ended in 2014. Over 2 years before Mr. Manafort served in the Trump campaign. Today, you see an indictment brought by an Office of Special Counsel that is using a very novel theory to prosecute Mr. Manafort regarding a FARA filing. The United States government has only used that offense 6 times since 1966 and only resulted in 1 conviction. The second thing about this indictment that I myself find most ridiculous is a claim that maintaining offshore accounts to bring all your funds into the United States as a scheme to conceal from the United States government is ridiculous. Thank you.
Well, what should the White House think about what he has to say? Should the White House worry?